Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this adorable mini flower bouquet keychain. It's perfect to decorate your bag, backpack, or even as a sweet handmade gift for someone special. This project is small, beginner friendly, and works up quite quickly. For today's tutorial, please prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you enjoy detailed step-by-step crochet tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support the channel. And please watch until the end. Your support truly gives us motivation to create more beautiful patterns for you. Now, let's begin. First, we will make the wrapping piece. For round 1, chain 20. Skip the first chain from the hook and make 19 half double crochets across. Try to keep your stitches even and relaxed. A soft tension will help the wrapping piece look smooth and neat. Great start, you're doing amazing already. Next, from round 2 to round 8, we will work in the back loop only. Chain 1, turn your work, and make 19 half double crochets in the back loop only. Repeat this same step until you finish round 8. Working in the back loop creates a beautiful ribbed texture, making the bouquet wrapping look more realistic. Make sure to count your stitches each row to keep the edges straight. Keep going, consistency is key. Now, edge both sides of the wrapping piece with single crochet. Work evenly along the sides to create a clean and polished border. Try to distribute your stitches evenly so the edge doesn't curl. This small finishing detail really elevates your final piece. Beautiful job so far. Next, let's move on to the flower. Chain 31. In the second chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet, then continue working as instructed. Take your time with this foundation. It will determine how evenly your petals form later. Now repeat this pattern 10 times. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and single crochet into the next stitch. These chain spaces will become the base of your petals. Keep your chain 3 slightly loose so the petals open nicely later. You're building the structure of something beautiful. Next, into each chain space, work 5 double crochets and then slip stitch. Repeat this 10 times. As you continue, you'll notice the strip beginning to curl naturally. That's exactly what we want. Don't worry if it twists, it will roll into a perfect rose shape. You're doing fantastic. After finishing all the petals, chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a tail for sewing. Gently roll the flower into a spiral. Roll tightly in the center and slightly looser toward the outside for a natural blooming effect. Secure the base with a few stitches. Look how pretty that flower is already. Now, let's make the bow tie string. Simply chain 70. Keep your tension even so the string looks smooth and elegant. If you prefer a firmer string, you can slip stitch back along the chain. Small details like this make your keychain look more professional. Almost there. Next, we will make 2 leaves. Chain 7. In the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Chain 2 and continue working on the other side of the chain. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then slip stitch. Chain 1 and fasten off. Work gently around the chain to keep the leaf symmetrical. Make 2 leaves. They add such a lovely realistic touch to your bouquet. Beautiful progress. Now we'll crochet the sepal. Start with a magic ring, chain 2, and make 10 half double crochets into the ring, slip stitch to close. Keep the stitches snug but not too tight. This helps hold the flowers securely. For round 2, repeat 5 times, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, make 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and slip stitch. These little points form the green base under the flower. Take your time, this detail completes the look beautifully. You're almost done. Now assemble all the pieces. Attach the flower to the sepal, sew the leaves at the back, wrap the wrapping piece around the base of the flower, and secure it neatly. Tie the bowstring around the bouquet and attach your keychain ring. Adjust everything carefully for balance and symmetry. And now your mini flower bouquet keychain is finished. It's small, sweet, and perfect as a handmade gift or personal accessory. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Watching until the end truly supports us and gives us motivation to create more creative patterns for you. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. See you in the next tutorial.